Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to make a dish out of green peas which is fresh and available in plenty in the season. The detailed recipe is given in the description box so you can have a look there. So let's just start the process. I've got a deep pan on fire and I've got 2 tablespoons of coconut oil heating up here. I'm going to place it on medium heat and start off by lightly browning the onions. I've sliced the onions really thin. Let's just add that into the pot. You can see it started browning little. At this stage, we're going to add the masala powder. I'm going to bring the heat down. Add about 1/4 teaspoon of turmeric powder. We're going to cook the turmeric until the raw smell goes away. Once that's done, 2 teaspoons of coriander powder. Now we want to roast this masala for a few minutes. The masalas have been roasted well. Now we need to add the tomato into this. Mix it well. And add salt. I'm adding half teaspoon salt. We'll adjust it later. Now we have to cook this masala until the tomatoes are soft. Tomatoes are cooked well and it's mixed with all the masala. Now we're going to add the clean green peas into this mixture. Give it a nice mix. We're going to add water to this and let the green peas cook till they are tender. I've added sufficient water to this mix right now. You'll need approximately a cup of water. I'm going to put this on medium heat. Put the lid and let it cook until the green pea is tender. The green peas has become tender now. Now I've got the coconut paste ready. Please grind the paste only once the peas is ready. Don't grind it and keep it beforehand because it will not be fresh enough. So just grind it right when you are about to add it into the curry. So let's add that. We need to mix this well. If you feel the curry is a little too thick, you can add in a little water to this. I feel it's a little too thick, so I'm going to add a little water. I've added a little water and adjusted the consistency. Now we're going to let this sit for 2 to 3 minutes. Let it just come to a boil. Then we can switch off and plate the dish. It's come to a boil now. We can switch off the fire. I just wish you could smell how heavenly this dish smells right now. That's only because of the coconut paste that we added in the end. And so, like I told you earlier, please make sure you grind the coconut paste right before you're going to add it, because that will help retain the freshness. And then we can garnish it with some coriander leaves. And it's ready to be served. You can eat this with roti, paratha. You can also use it as a side dish for idli, dosa. It will taste very good with it. So please do try this recipe and let me know how you found it.